Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. We are going to discuss fully funded scholarship in Netherlands today. Some may know it by Holland and some may know it by Dutch. So we are going to discuss about this scholarship very soon. Before we discuss further about this opportunity, let me remind you, if you are not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button. Also, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. You can comment down below and we will answer your doubt if you have any. You can get the link of this opportunity from the video description below. Check the video description and click on the link. It will redirect you to our website, or you can also check it from our Instagram bio here. The link is in our Instagram bio or Instagram story also. You can also message us on Instagram and ask for the link. You can also check our Facebook page and Twitter. We will also answer your questions there. So after clicking on the link from the video description, you will be redirected to our website here. Here you can check the details about Netherlands government scholarship. So it's for the session 2022-2023. So master's degree, bachelor's degree and other will be covered under this, and it's initiated by the Dutch Ministry under the Orange Knowledge Program Scholarship. So it's available for almost all countries, and there are country specific courses also listed here. So you don't need to worry about eligibilities. It has been amended as per the country's particular eligibilities. So if if your country is providing bachelor's of 3 years, so it will be available for you to apply without worrying for 1 year. So you don't have to worry about eligibility criteria. So it's very easy and it's according to your home country. The eligibilities have been amended. So here is a list of scholarship in Netherlands, and without IELTS so here you can check the deadlines, and deadline is February 2022. So it may vary. You don't have to stick to this February 22. You have to complete this very soon, so that you cannot miss any part of this opportunity. So here is a study in Netherlands without IELTS. So these are some universities in in Netherlands where IELTS is not required. So you can start master's course and programs also. Bachelor courses are also available. So you can check the scholarship coverage, and here is the how to apply section. So there is an update for Afghanistan students. So activities has been put on hold for Afghanistan for this particular scholarship. Otherwise, for others they are eligible. For this particular, they cannot participate. So due to some embassy reasons at Dutch embassies, so they have put on hold for the Afghanistan students. However, it's open for all other nationalities. So after reading the details and checking eligibility, you will be redirected. You can scroll down the end of this page. Here you can see the red button, apply here now. So click on this apply here now. It will redirect you to the Study in Holland official government page. So here you can check type of program, bachelor, masters, other short summer courses, field of study, and type of institutions, scholarships. So here you can select all of these, but today we are going to particularly discuss about Orange Knowledge Program. So you can check bachelor, master. So I am applying for masters. All the courses have same procedure, and you have only there is a document variation. For masters you have to upload bachelors, and for bachelors you have to upload high school certificates. So I am applying for master, so let me choose my course. You have to choose according to yours. I am looking for my course. So you can check a lot of universities. So here is my course, environment and energy management. So I'll be applying to this. So click here on this course. It will redirect you to the course page. Here you can read the details about this particular course and which university is providing it. So you can check all details. So these scholarships are covered for this. So you can check a lot of scholarships are available for this. So that's why I am applying. So there will be a lot of vacancies for this post. So click here on this visit course website here. So it will redirect you to the University of Twente official page. Here you can check the course details. Here you can check the eligibility and other details also. So here you can check program overview, and it's taught in English. Here are the starting dates, and here is the location. Similarly, you can scroll down and here you can see the green button apply. So click on this apply button here. It will redirect you to the admissions page. So here you can check the admission criteria, application deadlines, and other details. So to simply, we are from international students, so here you can see student from outside the Netherlands holding a university bachelor's degree. So you can simply click here to start the application as we are international students. So click on this outside the Netherlands holding student. So here it will redirect you to the international degree page, and to begin with the application process you can read details, other documents here, and you can check country wise what is requirement. So like I have to apply for from Nepal, so here you can see to be considered for admission to a MSc program, applicant should have a 4-year bachelor. So similarly, if you are from Nigeria, and you should have a 4-year bachelor's too. And similarly, if you are from Pakistan, so to have 4 years degree. Similarly, you can check other countries also. For Indian students, here you can see to be considered you must have any of these degrees or a 4-year, 3-year bachelor's. So similarly, for Ghana students, here you can see. And similarly, if you are from any of the countries listed here, you have your home country. That's why I told you not to worry about eligibility. So it's amended as per your home country education. So simply to begin with the application process, click here on this apply now button here. So now this is a step-by-step process, so please watch the full video so that you cannot miss any part of this video. So as for now, I have bachelor's degree outside from the Netherlands, so simply that, then click next. So eligibility check, are you apply, have you previously applied? I haven't, so this is the first time. Then click next. Now fill the personal details, educational details. So let me fill my personal details. So after filling details, click on next. Now select the English language. So I am a native speaker. Then select next. Now have you already finished your current degree? Yes, I have finished. Then click next. So in which country did you complete? So let us choose our country. Then click next. So do you have a bachelor or a master degree with a minimum plus? Yes, I have. Then next. So do you hold a bachelor in natural and environmental science? So yes, it fully fits. So being a student costs money, so after admission masters, make sure you have, I need at least 50% scholarship funding, so I need a full scholarship. And next, click on next. So here you can check based on questions you answer, you appear to be eligible. So we have received an email. So if you want to start the application for master's program environmental, please follow the procedure mentioned in your email you have just received. Click the email for instructions. After you have completed all steps and submit application, the admission committee will review and decide your admission. So let's check our email. So here you can see steps that we have received in the email. So you can check the which steps you are right now in the application enrollment process. So how to proceed now? Step 1. So we have to open this study link. Then you will receive a username and password. Okay. Apply via study link. So we have to complete these 3 steps. So let me check this. So here is the link that we have received from the email. So do you have a DG ID? I do not have. So let's click study link without DGD. Now complete these steps. After filling personal details, click next. Now optional address, submit the address. After filling details, click next. Click next. Now contact summary. Then click next. Okay, so select country. Click next. So here is the summary. So I have checked details, then click or touch the pen. So we have to click this. Now click create account. So we have successfully registered and confirmation email has been received. So let me check email. So here you can see the email. So we have to verify account here. So after clicking on that link, click activate. So here you can see we have activated, so it will redirect to our login page. So now we have to log in, use the same details and click login. Now answer the questions. Have you obtained? Say yes. Click next. So which date did you obtain your degree? So I will select my, you have to select your own. Click next. In which country did you? So select your country where you have studied. I have studied in Nepal. Click next. So select the program from the following list. So I have selected bachelor's 4 years. Click next. Have you submitted the details? So add this previous education. Okay. Have you obtained? So okay, we have completed this. Now click next. So choose the program. So I am selecting that university of this university where I have chose my program. So masters. Okay, so let me select this plane. So to easily find our course, you can check this environmental. You can environmental and energy management. So simply wait for the course to load. So here you can see I have found my course. So I am selecting this. Click here. Now you can see it's full time, so I am aware of that, and then click next. So read the question and then click next. So save answers, then click next and check the personal details once again. So click here, I have checked my details here, then click confirm. So here you can see my course enrollment application submitted. So all of the details are here now. So my application is now submitted. So you can check. You can also see details about that particular scholarship, and you can apply to any other courses also. So I hope you have understood the process. You don't need to submit separately the scholarship application. All you need to is just mention in this that I need a full scholarship to study. So on that basis it will be evaluated and you will get messages here regarding like you have been your offer letter will be available here. So here you can see enrollment application sent. So thank you, we have received your enrollment, and that details are here. So if you get like now here is a payment tab. So if you have any like payments or anything that money related things, it will be shown here. So all the programs that you have applied to will be available here. So you can click on home. You can apply to other courses as well. You have no foundation, particularly submitted. Here you can see the student number. So You are registered under the student number and this. Please mention this document. Please mention your student number on all documents you sent in a student. Okay, so you can read details. So whenever they ask you for sending any document, so you have to send the education number similarly. So let me check details. So here is the email that we have also received, that the application has been received. So once you complete all details, you will receive a follow-up email for study link application. So this email will include your new email ID and password for the university login. So after that, you have to click on the link in the email. It will redirect you, but it's some error right now. So then you have to use the same details to log into the university and then upload documents. So to upload the documents, you have received the username and password and the link in your email. So click on that link and it will take you to this website here, OSIRIS login and documentation. Simply you have to click here on login OSIRIS student, and then after logging in you have to upload documents inside it. So I hope it will work. It was not working, so I have to use the proxy right now, so to get through this website. So let me check. So it's not still working. So in my country it might be down for a few reasons. So you have to simply log in and simply submit the upload the documents inside this. After you log in with the details you have received in your email, you don't need to enter anything. Only you have to upload your bachelor's English certificate if you have any, and other education details you have to submit. The upload documents and passport with photograph. That's it. You have to submit that. So that your application will be completely filled up. So you have no steps left now. Log in here and upload documents inside. So I hope you understood the whole process. Now you have to wait for emails, and after you upload all the documents, wait for the email. I hope you understood the process, and if you have not followed us yet on Instagram, please click the follow button. If you are not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, share and this video. Thank you.